Nama orang kuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri upop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ayang ni.
Suam mem ta. Ngalih ngatiang bat mai cika bedum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Pulit ke East Giant Hills District, ki papelong ke jing talasi, ya ki kali hak khalai trik jembang aja penrio, hak por kemba arsitek mestem, ki labat ya kawe ke kali, ka bakit hadu lai pau Hajar Tylli, ki explosive detonators, ni ki Tiar Pynbthei, hak snong Umkiang East Giant Hills. Superintendent of Police ke East Giant Hills, hak kurwa bala pha asikla Pynbthei kubor, ula pentep bagi Pulit ke Umkiang Police Patrol Post, kila pensangnya ya kawe ke kali Hyundai Ion wrongly ke badan yu registration number AS10A5916 hakapor kumba arsitek menstem ha arkilo Umkiang ke badang temu banlet Shah. Hakajing talasi ke babenya ya kali ki Pulit kilalam bat Kurup lai pau Hajar Tylli ki Tiar Pynbthei ki bala buri ahpo artli ki sunduk bat kawe ke playerong bat ya ki bala temu ban khai bean ya Arngut ki basyang hapo ka kali la ithu kerteng kum Kamrul Ali Laskar ubadai na kasnong Jamalpur Kachar District Assam baru Ibrahim Uddin Laskar ubadai na kasnong Loknakpur Kachar District Assam ki Pulit kila register case halum snong police station baka jing toket kadang ya chakman.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.